Hi, my name is Caleb Sayre, and basically I'm just going to tell you or teach you how to make this kind of logo design kind of thing. It's actually not that hard. You're gonna need Illustrator. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and open a new document. Doesn't really matter what you do it. It's just whatever you want to make it. And first, you're going to want to change your couple preferences. You're going to want to go into View. You're going to want to show grid, so it shows the grid like this. Then you want to go to View again and snap to grid. This is going to help you align your letters easier and stuff. So basically, to start off, we're going to start with the letter. Basically, you're going to want to try and make it's kind of going for a retro look kind of thing, like space and stuff. Let me zoom out here. See, you can't really see the lines, but yeah, it's kind of like a retro look. That's what I was going for. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make the C because it was probably the easiest. So you're gonna want to use the pen tool. Want to go ahead and just start off your line. Just click in one space, then to the other. So there, you're starting your letter already. Basically, you're gonna want to do that until you get your whole shape. So let's go ahead and make just a small C. Basically, just make it a shape, make it whatever letter you want, however you want it to look. It's pretty much up to your preferences. And now we're going to make it kind of like a 3D-ish shape. Basically, to do this, you want to use the pen tool. Basically, this is using the pen tool. Just pretty much go out to. Make sure it's like out to on everything. So like, it didn't get on the lines. Snap grid didn't really work for me. But like so, just want to move out one more. Basically, you just want to make it to your preference. It's all up to you, basically. Use your creativity. Make it how you want it to look. Alright, so I'm back. I finally got my 3D kind of model here. Basically, like I said, do it to your preferences. You're actually going to want to do that on a different layer, so we're just going to create a new layer, layer 2. You just want to just go ahead and copy them and paste them over, place them to where you had them. Whoops. I don't want a path. Okay, then you can go back into here if you want. And I'm just gonna, oh whoops. It's not supposed to do that. Delete these extra ones. Okay. So, you got your 3D lettering. Now basically, you're gonna want to hide the 3D for now. And you're gonna want to create a new layer. Now we're gonna do like the graphite in it, like so. You can do it with any color. Doesn't really matter. So let's grab the pen tool. You want to start where you want it to end and drag it over to where you want it to begin. And from there, you can just pull from where you want it to start, get it to however you want it to be. Go ahead and get this out. Zoom in a little bit. And with the direct selection tool, you can mess with it any way you want. You can go ahead and click this and mess with the arch on this side. So I kind of want it to be kind of a U-shaped kind of look, like that. I like that. So once you get how you like it, basically just gonna add your graphite. So let's go ahead and make this into a shape. Okay, so you got into a shape. You can go ahead and select the green, or select the layer 3. If you want, you can go ahead and lock your layer 1 so you don't mess with it. And you're just gonna go ahead and go up and change your fill color to white black, which will then change it to this. Then you're gonna want to click the graphite tool. Pretty much just change it so the black is at the top and it slowly turns into white, or whatever colors you want. In my case, I want black and white. You can move this around so it can go lower, higher. I'm gonna put it right there. That looks good. Basically, you do that with the top too. So go ahead and make the top here. Okay, I'm back. Got the graphite on the top and bottom. Kind of like how I like it. Basically, now you can show your layer 2. Your layer 2 should be the 3D models. And, oh, forgot. On layer 1 and 3, you can go ahead and change the line to none. That way, won't really bother you. Like, if you mess up, like, see how this is in line? You won't really notice it. So, let's go ahead and add graphite to this. Basically, following the same path. Just, whoa, what's happening here? Okay, we're good. So go ahead and add the graphite. I don't really like that. Let's go ahead and see, turn it. Bring it down. Yeah. Then let's go ahead and add it to the one down here. No line, graph. Oh, whoa, don't have it set. Okay, here. No line. Black and white. Mess with it however you want. Go ahead and too dark. There, that's good. Okay, so you got your lettering. Now basically, once you get your lettering done, you put it all together so it kind of looks like, let's see, which layers are which. Alright, so it kind of looks like this. So you got this, you got your 3D, got the line like you want. Basically from here, you just want to find your own background. In my case, I wanted to do kind of a space one, so I found this picture off the internet. And you're going to want to make a new layer for it. So layer 4, just go ahead and drag that in. And you want to make it under all the other layers. So you got your lettering. Go ahead and lock layer 4 so you can't really move it. And now we're going to add the lighting around it. This isn't too hard. All you got to do is go into, or first you got to make your lines around your letter. So let's go ahead and go and add a new layer, layer 5, and start adding our lines. Okay, so I'm back. I got somewhat of an outline. It's not very good. But from here, you want to make sure it's highlighted. You want to go into your effects, go into blur, into this one. And pretty much go ahead, do it. Let's see how that looks. Oh, whoops. Oh. Okay. Make whatever fill line you want. In this case, I'm going to do red for this case. And go ahead and mess with it a little more. And if you want, you can add some smart blur. Just pretty much make it, would help if I highlight it. Just pretty much mess with it so you have kind of a feel of it. See, go ahead and add a racial blur. Well, pretty much you want to do it. My computer's kind of not treating me well. I only have 1%. But pretty much you want to make it your outline like so. Just outline it. With the lines, you just draw a line and pretty much at the blur same way. And that is how you make kind of a retro colored